Hey guys, welcome to my listing here in Heritage Landing Golf and Country Club. This is a veranda. Let me give you a little tour. So first we're going to go in the garage. Single detached car garage. This baby is immaculate. You could probably eat off the floor. Any attached shelving to the walls or unit is going to stay with the property. These shelves are not attached and they are a little wider. So this gentleman pulls in his golf cart, leaves the car on the driveway. But if you didn't have as wide of shelving, you can pull in a vehicle. My mom has the Lexus RX 350, a 2024. She pulls it in, no problem. Okay, let's keep going. Here we are, our first screened in lanai. We're ground floor. We are not in a flood zone, so no worries of that. You've got this nice, spacious, screened in space so you can enjoy the outdoors without the bugs and just hang out with friends and family for your morning coffee or your evening wine, whatever you choose. All right, coming into the unit. Right off the bat, we have our guest quarters is what I'd like to say. So that's our bath with our tub shower combination. Guest bedroom here. Just for size, this is a queen size bed. You've got a full dresser here, a little chest of drawers. Okay, perfect, comfy for guests to come and stay with you. This here is our washer and dryer closet. I just want to point out these are full size and they are upgraded. So a real nice addition to this property. Over here we have our owner's suite. King size bed, chest of drawers. This TV is going to stay with the property. So that's a nice little investment as well. Over here, we've got two walk-in closets, a his and hers, a linen closet. We've got double vanities, the nice white cabinetry. Everything is brand spanking new. They haven't lived here in a year. And they did upgrade with this nice glass shower door. So they didn't skimp that at all. Very nicely done. All right, let's go on inside. Okay, and out here, everything opens up. So you've got a really large kitchen, a nice dining space, your living room as well, and the den. We'll get to that in a minute. So with this kitchen, we've got this walk-in pantry, corner pantry. You know, I love those. All of this counter space, can't believe it. Here they have the lighting. Of course, it doesn't want to work for me right now, but the under cabinet lighting where it goes up. There we go. There we go. So that's a nice touch as well. We also have an upgraded refrigerator, an upgraded LG dishwasher, and the range. This is the only thing that is original with the house, but very well done. Also, we have tons of storage in the space here, you guys. That's what I love about this floor plan, the storage. Good sized dining room. Obviously, they have the, what are those called? Like a buffet, something nice. Anyway, so you can put your dishes and things like that. And then here you have your living space. Plenty of room here to gather with your friends, family, watch TV. I'm going to do the best for last. So let me show you this den. Also, they upgraded with these doors and the nice little panels here. But you've got room for a nice pull-out sofa, little desk so you can get some work done. It's just a nice, good space for overflow of guests. Perfect, right? Okay, best for last. Let's check out this view, you guys. It is arguably one of the best views in the community. Also, our second screened-in lanai. So enjoying the outdoors without getting eaten alive by buggies here. Look at this. Oh, hi, bird. Oh, there they are. You've got panthers, you've got gators, you've got bear, you've got birds and fish. You can fish out here. It's going to be a catch and release situation. Black boar are over there. What else? Eagles are up here. I mean, it is National Geographic. It's just gorgeous. So this property is a social membership. What does that mean? It means you get access to everything except for the golf. So if you're not a golfer, this place is going to be perfect for you. There is pickleball, tennis, bocce ball, swimming pool, satellite pools, and the resort pool. There's tiki bar, there's a clubhouse, and there's a full-time social director that plans a bunch of activities for everybody to get together and have fun get to know your neighbors, right? So if that sounds like something you're interested in, you need to go to my website. It's buyahousewithbarbie.com. Like, subscribe, and follow me. You guys know what to do. Let's talk about your wish list.